loves, we have another Amazon haul. Let's jump into it. Another puffer. We can compare it to the other one. Actually, 100% I'm keeping the other one over this one. The ball is smaller. The other one's more big and fluffy. They have the exact same silver. It's not a circle in the actual foundation of it. It's long. It starts from here and here, and then it's long ways. So absolutely not. The structure in the foundation is so important. This will be a return. The other one from the last haul is better. Both on Amazon. To the next. Ooh, I'm going to say no off the bat because I tried the other one that was the competitor. I almost feel bad to open this right now. I don't want to open it. I'm just going to tell you guys because I feel bad. Like when I return it right now, I just want it to be nice. I tried the other one that's the same company, just has 1, 2, 3. Instead of 2 little circles, you have a big third one that matches all 3. It scraped my Hot Tools. Don't get these unless you're okay and your Hot Tools are old and it's okay to put them in the stainless steel and it's the material that's okay, that's durable. Do not buy this. It'll ruin your straightener, ruin your stuff because the stainless steel is, it has streaks in it. It's metal. So when you put it in and take it out, you see what I'm saying? So absolutely not. I already returned the other one. I'm returning this one. Maybe there's another one that's like silicone, but I haven't seen. But I kind of just like the way I have my setup right now where I just put it in the tray and that's that. Okay, I got the straightener again. It's the same one from last haul. Amazing. 10 out of 10, the best straightener. It's like under 40 bucks. I think it's like 30 something. It's white. It's so smooth. It is called Be Kind. So when you think of a straightener, you read Be Kind on it every day. We should be kind. And it's a reminder when you do your tools in your hair. Humble, taking care of ourselves, and always be kind. And then it's in white and it's a straightener. And it also doubles as a curling iron as well. So you save money on both ends. Next one. It's the best color I've seen for also the modern design and lightweight. Okay. Ooh. The AirPods. The newest AirPods are in. I purchased through Amazon because there was an open box one that was like new. So this has been opened, I believe. I mean, it doesn't look like it's been opened, but it says it was like new, but not new. This is the AirPod Max 2 with the smart case. This is in the sand one. It's the lightest one possible. Let's tear off the sides. Super incredible feeling to tear. Wow. Apple products are the best, of course. Design, structure. It feels like we're in the future when we touch items from Apple. And the unboxing process, like, ugh. I can't. It's so perfect. I need to set it. Oh! Heaven to feel. Wow. Just look at this. Actually, I just want to show it as we what? How? It's so soft. This little fabric knit, all the knit clothing. I'm wearing knit right now. It has knit, it bounces so squishily. And this is so smooth and soft, the best texture to touch. Oh my god. What is this? Oh, it's to protect it. So cute. Oh, you just take it out like that and then close it. And then, this is my first time really going to start using headphones. Usually I use AirPods. So I haven't bought headphones since Beats since middle school. So I'm due for headphone purchase. This cute little case that normally I don't use the cases, but if I did decide to purchase. This cute little case that normally I don't use the cases, but if I did decide just in case it was connected to something, but it connected that quickly. That's what's so cool about being in the Apple ecosystem. Everything is so simple and I just love it. It's the most premium items on the market, and you can feel the I just had the Sony's, the Sony 6, the newest ones. It just came out. I returned them. Something in my heart said, yes, it's the most noise canceling headphone and it is the best of the best. Like, for when it comes to noise canceling, Sony's it right now. Second is Bose, but I couldn't, dude. I feel like I'd rather spend that 200 something, $300 from a Sony to go and spend like 500 on an Apple, because it's Apple and it's my ecosystem, and I just couldn't. So I returned the Sonys, even if they're technically the best for sound quality right now. It's just not as good as luxury premium feel. Whoa, they have covers on them to protect it. Also, you guys, we can take this out apparently so seamlessly. So if these ever get dirty, and things do get dirty and worn out over time, you can still keep this long term. It can last forever, honestly, as long as you take care of it and you don't scrape this. Obviously, it's so premium, so luxury. This will last, and this will be timeless. 5-10 years from now, these will still be timeless design. Whereas my Beats one are so old and outdated. Yes, they're still brand new because I never really used them, but they look so old and little and outdated. Apple never has that problem, ever. That's what's so sick about going high end, like Apple, quality over quantity, and you can have something last for so long. The buttons, I already tested it out at the Apple store. The buttons are so seamlessly butter. This cold, clean, luxury touch to feel. The button is insane. Touching the button, I can't explain to you the feeling of just the Sony's is, if you touch the Sony button to this button, on a whole nother level of luxury, and it feels so good. The squishiness here is also like so cloud-like, insane. It's better than Sony, even if Sony technically has better sound right now, like sound noise cancellation. There's no comparison. There's no comparison on even the top part. It was hurting my head. Yeah, I bought it because I wanted sound cancellation, but the little cute little squishy part on the Sony, it was literally hurting my head. I went to Apple and tried these on. They don't have that problem at all because they have knit, like this material I'm wearing. They used it in the actual design, and they also used it here. Such a smart inventor, and so we don't feel that in our head at all. And it just sits there so cloud-like and squishy-like. Amazing. I love the silver touches because the silver matches the silver stand from my Apple Studio and all my other products that have silver. So it's perfect. And let's put it on my head. Oh my God, it is sound cancel. I can barely hear my grandparents right now. And with the Sonys, when I did that, remember how I tested it live? I heard my grandpa talking the last time too. And I'm listening right now. I hear my grandpa too. So yeah, all the YouTubers are saying Sony is it. Sony is the most sound canceling. I swear to God, a part of me feels like these people are being paid. I don't know. But there's not enough videos out here about Apple products. And I don't know if there's a reason why YouTube is pushing other brands more than Apple, because Apple's always going to win because Apple is the best. It's almost like they want us to hate Apple, I feel like. And maybe they're getting paid to say those things. I don't know. But in the end, after all those reviews, negative reviews on the Apple ones and how it's not like, I'm telling you, this is the best one on the market. After all the negative videos, and I went Sony. I went for the best, which is Sony 6 right now. Has the best noise cancellation. It doesn't even match, even close. They just said all those things in all those videos just to get you to buy it. But really, honestly, I think you get an incredible sound, like noise cancellation. I have not compared all of them. Apparently the YouTubers have. But as of right now, I still hear my grandpa the same way the Sonys I heard my grandpa. And if it's that noise cancellation, I shouldn't have not heard my grandpa at all with the Sony ones if they're the best in the market, right? I don't know. This is just a conspiracy theory, but I swear these people are being paid. I don't know. But I think because after a couple wrong decisions I've made, I had to return things, and I went to go to Apple. I was like, damn, Apple actually is the best. But why did they convince me that the others were better? It's crazy. It's crazy. Anyways, that was just like a side note from things I just recently learned at 26. I've been using YouTube and like for buying products my whole life. And at 26, I've really realized these people are being paid. Like, I have, even if they don't say it, I swear to God, because when you actually do your own research and test out products, like 2 of them your own, and take that time to do the return just to get your like best product, like you don't need to get the opinions from them. I guess you can use it as their opinions to like figure out which is the top 2 companies, top 3 companies when you're doing a product. But in the end, you decide what product is best for you, and you should try them out yourself. And right now, it's Apple, period. I returned the Sony's, and to me, this is the best in the market. Oh my God. Not only is it the highest quality luxury feel, and I can barely hear my grandpa right now, but also the aesthetic is not even Sony. I tried it on. I didn't even feel cute. I feel kind of like, I wouldn't wear it. I probably wouldn't use them because it wasn't that, I don't feel that confident. I don't feel that powerful. Apple products, when I use them, I feel more powerful. It's the brand. It's not even just the brand, it's the actual luxury. Even if it didn't even have a brand attached to it and you just compare it just without Sony, without Bose, no branding whatsoever, you just grab plain headphones, it would always be Apple. Isn't that crazy? Even without the Apple like brand attached to it, right? It's crazy. It's the most comfortable. I don't feel any pain on the head at all. Not even one little bit of like where the Sony had that. I don't feel that at all. It is so squishy, and just amazing. 10 out of 10. Apple all the way. I don't care what all these YouTubers say. I am picking things that I know that is luxury and the best for me and highest quality on earth out of all the headphones. Which is the best? Structure, design in every single aspect, every single knob, every single detail. And what I found in the end of all the technology, and I've been doing a lot of research recently, it's Apple. And I already knew this, but then people just try to convince you, and you go through all these YouTubers and you're like, damn, like I should go with this company instead. They really get you. They really get you. Yeah, I just feel like I should let this be known, because if you're like me and you've purchased wrong before in the past, let's not waste our money on purchasing wrong the first time. Let's save our money and purchase right, period, from the very beginning. So we save the money, we go quality over quantity, and we get the best of the best. But anyways, 10 out of 10. I literally can barely hear myself speak. Actually, now that I think about it, I actually heard myself less speak than the Sony. Wow, I could barely hear myself speak, but in a good way. When I would talk, I actually almost heard my voice better than the Sony ones. That is insane. I wish I kept the Sony ones just to compare it like full on, like in person, like right here, right now, like to do match them, like just you guys, because I'm really just doing off memory right now, but that made me sound so amazing. I could hear myself and not feel uncomfortable to talk. Do you guys remember how my reaction was with the Sony ones? I was so uncomfortable to talk. I literally did not feel like that way at all when I was talking with these ones. That says so much about the quality of speaking with these headphones on, like compared to Sony. That's insane. That is insane. 10 out of 10, Apple all the way. It's the best on the market, hands down. Hands down. And we have one more left, which is this one. Ooh, okay, yes. We have a couple coming in the mail, but this is the same brand. I thought I bought a different one. Maybe I did buy the same brand. Let me see. Ooh, actually I bought the same exact one. So this is the one that's in the kitchen right now. I love it. I already took it out of the box, but I wanted to be sure that this was the best one. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, it actually is different. This is different. This one comes with a base. This one comes with the base, but it's the same company. I think we should spend a little bit more money to get the same matching base. Let me see. It has the same, remember when we did the egg test in the last haul? We did the egg test. This is the best egg feeling out of the ones that I compared. It's amazing. Oh my God, this is perfect. I'm going to return the other one just to get this one because look how perfectly it matches together. But it is cream, and cream is not really my aesthetic right now. If you're looking for this like kind of creamish color, then this is 100% 10 out of 10. If you're looking for bright white, this might not match. I'm going to double check. I'm going to try it in the kitchen later. But this is 10 out of 10. The one I would recommended last time, that one's really good. It just doesn't, it's cheaper and it doesn't come with the base. This one is the same company, but it comes with the base. So you don't have to go find another third party or keep looking. Everything is right here for your counter and you can use it off the spot. Amazing. Incredible. 10 out of 10. And the company is Kitchen Tool Set. Oh, it doesn't say. Eventually, all of everything I share will be on my playlist, my Amazon playlist, and I'll put both of them there. But, where is it? This is kind of what it looks like when you get it. So you guys can see. It doesn't say. It just says Kitchen Tool Set. It said white on there, but I would say it's more of like a ivory cream white more than a white one. So just keep that in mind. And yeah. I hope you guys can hear me right now. Can you guys hear me? Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I hope you guys could hear me this whole time. I just took out the mic. Anyways, I would say 10 out of 10 for this company. Again, this is not perfectly white, so I'm going to keep looking, but I love it. I might end up still keeping it. We will see. If I can't find a whiter one that has the same tools, same material, same everything, I might end up keeping it in the end, even if it's not the most whitest white. So yeah, I love it. This is an amazing haul. I feel like we got a lot of good stuff. There wasn't really any returns fully except this one, and then maybe I will return this one, but I will for sure return the other ones because I do want a base that matches. But yeah, loves, thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped in any way for your journey of upgrading or rebuilding yourself or rebranding your identity, changing your identity. That is me right now at 26. Is what I'm doing. So that's why we have so much hauls right now. Okay, loves, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My grandparents are here, so I'm going to go over there and drink coffee with them.